Sheena, it's gonna get all over you.
You're gonna have to get a bigger lighter than that, aren't you?
Yeah, it's not gonna do anything.
Where's the blowtorch?
No thanks.
Yeah. I would have burned this. Watch it, Brett.
He can't even hold it.
Watch it. There it goes. Bam. I got a piece right here.
That's the piece with the sticker. Is there any more?
There was some came up here.
I saw a big piece fly over here.
I didn't get any of the
There's one piece right over here.
Where? Where's the